Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today it's a Good Friday. Yes, in today's newspaper of Friday, March the 29th, 2024, we have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars, and the killer Sudoku. We have also in this newspaper an additional. Let me show you the additional of today's newspaper. 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will solve these 3 regular puzzles. The first one is the 3 stars Sudoku. Oh, 3 star Sudoku number. Let me position the camera first. This one will be 8, 2, 6. 6, 8, I believe. Let me check. Double check. Yeah, 8, 2, 6, 8. Alright. Let me zoom this. Need to pull this up. 8, 2, 6, 8. Before I start, I always count and print the digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Alright. 26 should be a 2 stars. It's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. For 2 stars, 2 stars is 26. 3 stars is 25. 2 stars puzzle, 15 to 20 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 2 stars or a 3 stars puzzle. So let's get started. 4 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left on 5 in the middle row. It should be there. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in the middle row for the numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 167, 167, 167. And look, we have 1 and 7 in this row, no 1 and 7 in this box. 1 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. The 1 goes there, so 1 is left in the middle row for number 6. Oh, 1 and 7. Oh, I made a mistake. 1 and a 7, this should be a 6 then. 1 and a 7 goes there. 1 and a 7, okay. So this should be a 1. Made an important mistake. Well, can I continue with the 7? No. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Need a 7 here. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have 7 in the second row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have 7 in this column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column. Only 3 places left on 7 should be here, here, or there. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this third row, no 7 there. We have 7 in the second row, no 7 there. So the only place left on 7 should be there. Yeah, I can place the 1 here, 1 and a 7. Alright, and now the 9 in the last column, 9 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Alright. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column, so the column between. And only place left for the 5 should be here. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 6. We have 3 and the 6 in this row. No 3 and the 6 in these 2 boxes. 3 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and a 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes and there. Alright, and now let me think. 3 in this column, third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left on the 3 should be there, and I've eliminated there the 7. So the 7 goes there, 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left on 7 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes early with 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 7. Oh, wait. Okay. And now, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 1 off of the missing numbers 9. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left on 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9. Need to wait. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first column. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in the last row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes. There are 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers to 1. 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the first column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers to 1 is missing. The 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 4 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. Now, let me think. How about? Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Okay. What a 5 there. 5 here. 5 there. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 and 8. Okay. 1 and the 2. Need a 2 here. 2. Alright. 8. We have all the ones. No. 1, 3, and 8. 1, 8. 2 missing numbers. In this column, those missing numbers are 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. 1. And I need a 6 here. We have a pair, the 1 and the 6 in this column. the 1 in one of those two boxes and the 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places left where the 1 and 6 goes in those two boxes has appeared. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. So 1 is left in the middle column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Alright. Then 48. How about need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Need 8 there. Yes. Well, need a 4 here. 4 and the 8. I'm thinking. Need a 5. Need a 8. Need a 9. 9. Come on. I'm stuck here. 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, and a 4. 2, 3, and 4. 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. And look with 2 and a 3 in this row. So no 2 and a 3 in this box. 2 and a 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. So 1 is left in the last column for number 4. So we have 4 in this column. Last column. 4 in the column next on that column. Only place left for 4 should be there. 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And 1 goes there. Alright. 1 box left now in this column for I believe the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column 3. Only place left for 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. 1 box left in the third column for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8. 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and then 9 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 6. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 1 box left in this first row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, and a 6 is missing. 3 and 6. 3 and 6. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Whoa! Not the 3 stars, not the 2 stars, not the 1 star. Should be a 0 stars and faster than 50 minutes. Faster than 30 minutes. So, well, pleased with the time, and I like this one, yes. I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, the 4 Stars Sudoku, on this Good Friday. Until then, bye-bye for now.